1 min to catch up, new energy this week. On the 8th of December, UK grid connection reforms leave 153 gigawatts of battery projects set aside. Reported the 8th of December, Los Angeles goes coal-free as final coal plant shuts down. On the 8th of December, LG Energy Solutions signs nearly 2.06k RW trillion battery supply deal with Mercedes-Benz. Reported the 9th of December, QuantumScape installs key equipment, accelerating solid-state battery production. On the 9th of December, Samsung SDI signs $1.36 billion US battery street orage deal to produce LFP cells domestically. Reported the 9th of December, Melbourne's 1.6 GWh renewable energy hub battery street orage system comes online. Reported the 10th of December, NextEra signs 2.5 GW renewable energy deal with MENA. Reported the 11th of December, Ford and SK on Endus 0.11.4 BN battery joint venture split as capacity. Reported the 11th of December, ACWA Power and Scatec advance MENA solar plus storage projects.